Hi, Sarah. How are you today? Hey, Anna. I'm doing great. How about you? I was thinking you might be a little bored today, so let's do something fun. Fun? What do you have in mind? Let's play a game. We ask each other 5 fun questions, and whoever answers wrong has to buy the treat. Haha. This sounds interesting. Go ahead, start. Okay, first question. If you could be any animal, what would you be and why? I'd be a dolphin. They're smart and I love swimming in the water. Oh, you got that wrong. My answer is better. I'd be a cheetah. Fast and stylish. Haha. You're totally a cheetah, Anna. Your turn now. Okay, my turn. If you could be a famous personality, who would you be? I'd be Beyoncé. She's the queen. Beyoncé. Wow. That's the right answer. Looks like you won the treat this round. Yay. I'll take my treat now. Okay, let's get serious now. How are you planning to improve your English speaking skills? I'm planning to practice every day, like listening to English conversations and talking to more people. I'm also listening to podcasts. That's awesome. I also want to focus on improving my writing skills. Your practice tips will help me too. I think I should focus more on writing. Wow, you're getting serious now. Let's do a fun challenge now. You have to try tongue twisters. Let's see who can say them the fastest. This will be fun. What's the first tongue twister? Okay, here's your challenge. She sells seashells by the seashore. Haha. This is easy. Let me try. She sells seashells by the seashore. Wow, you're an expert. Now it's my turn. How much wood would a woodchuck chuck if a woodchuck could chuck wood? Haha, you said that a bit slowly. I think you lost this round. So, Anna, what's your next big goal? My next goal is to improve my English speaking to the point where I can speak fluently and confidently in any situation. Wow, that's an amazing goal. I'm also setting goals to improve my speaking and listening skills. Look at you, Sarah. You've come so far already. You've started improving your speaking skills. Now we just need to practice more. Yes, Anna. I promise I'll practice every day, and we'll keep improving together.